Hello, and welcome to another Musical Monday with me, Wndrby. No O's, please, no O's. Get those O's out of here. Anyway, today we are going to learn about steady beat. What's a steady beat? Well, I'm so glad you asked. A steady beat is a strong, repeated pulse in a music that's usually constant and something you can feel. That's confusing. It's too complicated. These are children. Okay, well, let me break it down for you. Now this is a steady beat. Tap your foot or nod your head as you listen to this rhyme. The steady beat in a song is a lot like your heartbeat. That's why we call it the pulse. There's only one difference between these beats that just might change your results. You see, the beat in your heart speeds up anytime you get excited, scared, or surprised. When you take a deep breath and you start to relax, then your heartbeat will stabilize. When it comes to steady beat, the speed doesn't change. You'll know that it's a steady beat because it stays the same. When it comes to steady beat, the speed doesn't change. You'll know that it's a steady beat because it stays the same. Almost every song you listen to has a steady beat. Now we're going to practice keeping a steady beat by putting the beat in different places on our body while listening to a few songs that you might recognize. If anything feels uncomfortable, feel free to modify the movements to best fit you. Make sure that you've got enough room to move around, and you might want to wash your hands because we're going to be touching our faces. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, pat the 8 on your head. Put the beat on your shoulders. Pat the beat on your lap. Now put it in a clap. Now step it with your feet. Now nod to the beat. That was easy, right? Remember, always be gentle with yourself. This activity should not hurt. It should be fun. So be careful not to drop the beat too hard. All right, this time we're gonna get weird with it. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7. Put the beat on your eyes. Pat the beat on your thighs. Put the beat on your elbow. Switch it to the other elbow. Put the beat on your lips. Put the beat in your hips. Snap your fingers to the beat. Now put it in your feet. Clap the beat with your hands. Now do a little dance. All right, this time we're gonna put it all together and we're gonna do it double time. Are you ready? Here we go. Put the beat on your head. Put the beat on your shoulders. Now put it in your lap. Now put it in a clap. Now step it with your feet. Now nod to the beat. Put the beat on your eyes. Put the beat on your thighs. Put the beat on your elbow. Switch it to the other elbow. Put the beat on your lips. Put the beat in your hips. Snap your fingers to the beat. Now put it in your feet. Clap the beat with your hands. Now do a little dance. Congratulations, you just mastered the art of the steady beat. Give yourself a round of applause. Next time you tune in, we're going to be talking about fast and slow beats. But for now, Wndrboy out. This is the beat.